Welcome to the Girl Scouts Harder Central California tutorial on the new Volunteer Toolkit Finance tab, which will allow you to submit your end-of-year financial reports online. For information on logging in or information on using other features of the Volunteer Toolkit, such as the year plan and meeting plans, please see our Introduction to the Volunteer Toolkit video. This video can be found on the GSHCC website. Please note, the VTK can only be accessed by a troop leader. If you are the troop treasurer but not a leader in your troop, you will need the assistance of a troop leader to access the financial report features. You may enter the details together, or you can provide the financial details to the troop leader so that they can be submitted. If you are unable to submit your VTK financial report online, you can contact customer care for paper forms to submit. They can be reached at 800-322-4475. The VTK is designed to work with the Google Chrome browser, and if you encounter problems, switching browsers might help solve the problem. The VTK functions best if it is the only tab open in your browser. If you encounter other problems using the VTK, please contact customer care and we will walk you through it. The Finance tab is on the far right of your VTK toolbar. If this is your first time logging into the VTK, you may need to add a meeting to your year plan before you can navigate to the Finance tab. If you need assistance adding a meeting, please refer to our previous video. The report contains fields for both income and expenses. There is no need to save your figures as you go. The VTK will save your changes automatically. If you have questions about any of the fields, you can click for additional help text to explain them. If you are noticing that the VTK is not saving one of your entries, you can click outside the field to trigger the automatic saving function. The totals for both your income and expenses will calculate automatically. You may add notes to your income or expenses if you believe this will be helpful in understanding your report. If you need extra help calculating your figures, there is a fiscal worksheet linked at the top of the page. At the end of your report, there will be another opportunity to make optional notes on your financial report. After you are done inputting your figures, there are a few more questions that you must answer to complete your financial report. You must add your banking information, provide your bank, the name of your branch, and the last 4 digits of your account number. We also require that you list the signers on your bank account. There are a number of additional financial questions required for every troop. This includes things like the amount of cash your troop has on hand or how many unsold packages of cookies your troop still has. We also would like to know whether your troop intends to return next year. When you prepare your financial report, rest assured that your banking information is confidential. Parents will not be able to see details of your banking information or any of the notes you make in your report. After you submit your report, parents in your troop who log into the VTK will be able to view a summary of your troop's income and expenses. This information helps keep them informed and engaged. This view will be read-only, like the rest of the VTK. If they attempt to log in before your report is submitted, they will be told that the report is still in progress and that they should check in later. Before submitting, you may preview the final document to make sure everything looks correct. Every required field must be completed before you can hit submit. Once you submit the final report, you should save a copy for your records. You can find the due date for your financial report on the Financial Report tab. If you are unable to file your report before this time, or you need to use an alternate method to submit your report this year, please contact your member support specialist before the due date so that we can make accommodations. Thank you for watching our video on the VTK Finance tab. If you encounter any errors or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our customer care team.